Hi students, today I am going to teach you third problem. In third problem, first bit, 81 by 16 whole to the power of minus 3 by 4 into 25 by 9 of minus 3 by 2 to the power of divided by 5 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3. Now, we know if a by b whole to the power of minus n will be equal to b by a whole to the power of n. The negative power changing into positive power. The fraction becomes reciprocal. So 16 by 81 whole to the power of 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 became plus 3 by 4 into, here also power is negative. So reciprocal 9 by 25 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Divided by, here also negative power is there, so reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5, 2 by 5 whole cube. Now 16 we can write as 2 to the power of 4. Factors of 16, 2 goes 8 times, 2 goes 4 times, 2 goes 2 times. So in the place of 16 we can write as 2 to the power of 4. Find factors like that. Coming to 81. 81. 3 table goes, 3 goes 27 times, 3 goes 9 times, 3 goes 3 times. So in the place of 81, you can write as 3 to the power of 4. These are all part and parcel of the problem. And you came to class 10th. 9th class, so you can do this easily. Now 9 3 square, 25 5 square, that also if you want you can do like that. Whole to the power of 3 by 2 divided by, already they are prime numbers only, 2 by 5 as it is whole cube. Now 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4, because 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4. A power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. In the same way, 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4, again whole to the power of 3. Now it is in the formula of a to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. Formula a to the power of mn. So multiplication we will do here. 4 get cancelled and cube is left. That cube is for both numerator and denominator. Coming to here, 3 by 5 whole square into 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 3 by 5 whole cube means 3 cube by 5 cube. Coming to the next one, division changing into multiplication. Again the fraction becomes reciprocal. Here power we did, now division we are doing. So 5 by 2 whole cube means 5 cube by 2 cube. Now cancel. 5 cube goes one time. 3 cube goes one time. 2 cube goes one time. So what is the answer? Means final answer 1. If you want you can write 5 cube cancel, 1 is remaining. 3 cube goes one time. 2 cube goes one time. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So 1 1. That is the answer. Third problem, second bit. 64 whole to the power of 2 by 3 into 2 to the power of minus 2 divided by 7 to the power of 0 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. That whole to the power you have to see. Now 64, find the factors here. 2 goes in 64 32 times, 2 goes in 32 16 times, 2 goes in 16 8 times, 2 goes in 8 4 times, 2 goes in 4 2 times. So 64 is equal to 2 to the power of 6. So in the place of 64, replace 2 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 2 by 3 into a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. So 2 to the power of minus 2, how we can write? 1 by 2 square. Bring to the denominator. Divided by, it is in the form of a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 7 to the power of 0 is 1. Whole to the power of minus half. Now It is in the form of a power m whole power n. A power mn. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Each and every working you have to show here. Without this working, this also include marks. So 3 goes in 6 two times. 3 2s are 6. So 2 to the power of 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 into 1 by 2 square. If you multiply with 1 or if you divide with 1 also, same answer. So 1 I have divided same. Now here 2 to the power of 4 means 2 we are going to write 4 times. 2 square means 2 we are going to write 2 times. 2 2's I cancel. Out of 2 to the power of 4, still 2 more 2's are remaining. Are able to follow? Be careful. Otherwise expand and cancel. No problem. Now 2 square is left. Into 1 means 2 square again. Minus half. A power m whole power n. A power mn. 2 goes into 1 time. So 1 into minus 1 is 2 power minus 1. Again a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. So 1 by 2. 2 came to the denominator, 1 by 2. Fourth problem, second bit. 16 by 81 whole to the power of minus 3 by 4 into 49 by 9 whole to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 343 divided by 216 whole to the power of 2 by 3. Now we are solving. Here minus is there, negative power, changing into positive power, the fraction becomes reciprocal. So 16 by 81 becomes 81 by 16. And here 49 means 7 7s are 49, 7 square. Here 9 is there, 9 means 3 3 is 9, 3 square. So in the place of 49 we can write 7 square, in the place of 9 we can write as 3 square. Divided by, here 343 is there. So 343 how I can write? 7 goes 49 times, again with 7 times. So in the place of 343 I can write as 7 cube. Next 216, find the factors. 6 goes 36 times, again 6 goes 6 times. So 216 is equal to 6 cube. Here mistake, 6 cube. 6 cube. Now replace. 343 means 7 cube. 216 means 6 cube. Whole to the power of 2 by 3. Don't forget. Now for 81 factors. 81. 3 to the power of 4. For 16. 2 to the power of 4. Now 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4, because it is in the form of formula a power m by b power m, a by b whole power m. Next 7 by 3 whole square, because both are same powers, so whole square. Here also same power, 7 by 6 whole square. Now this whole equation is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Here place is not sufficient, so you write those formulas compulsory. Now 4 goes in 4 one time. 3 by 2 whole cube means 3 cube by 2 cube. 2 goes into 1 time. So 7 by 3 whole cube means 7 cube by 3 cube. Division changing into multiplication. So 7 by 6 becomes 6 by 7. 3 goes in 3 one time, square, so whole square. Now first simplify these two. Here 3 cube and here 3 cube get cancelled. And remaining is 7 cube by 2 cube. Meanwhile, use reciprocal and do this one here. What is the meaning of 6 by 7 whole square? 6 square by 7 square. The meaning of 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7. For your understanding purpose, I am expanding and doing. 6 square means 6 into 6. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 cancel one time, 7 goes in 7 one time, one more 7 is left here. 2 goes in 6 3 times, 2 goes in 6 3 times. So here 7 into 9, 7 9s are 63 and denominator just 1 2 is left. 63 by 2, change into mixed fraction, 31 by 2, divide that one with the 2, then you get 31 1 by 2. Fifth problem, first bit. 64 by 125 whole to the power of minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 256 by 625 whole to the power 1 by 4 plus square root of 25 by cube root 64 whole to the power of 0. Now first negative power change into positive power so that fraction in the bracket becomes reciprocal. 64 by 125 becomes 125 by 64 whole to the power of 3 by 2 became positive divided by 1 by find factors for 256. What are the factors of 256? Means 4 to the power of 4. 256 is equal to 4 to the power of 4. So in the place of 256 write 4 to the power of 4. In the place of 625 we got 5 to the power of 4. So in the place of 625 we replace 5 to the power of 4. Whole to the power of 1 by 4 plus this is 1. Anything to the power of 0. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So the whatever may be inside power 0 is there. So it is 1. Now 125 factors are 5 cube. So write 5 cube. 64 you write as 4 cube. So 5 by 4 whole cube into 2 by 3 divided by here 4 by 5 whole to the power of 4 because powers are same. Here also powers are same. So whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 4. Which formula we have to write here? A power m into a power n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. That formula. This plus 1 as it is. Don't forget this plus 1. This is problem only. We have to add. If it is into or division, no need to write. Now 3 get cancelled one time. 1 2 is 2. So 5 square by 4 square. 5 by 4 whole square means 5 square by 4 square. Division I am changing into multiplication. Again reciprocal. Here fraction is there in the denominator. Fraction coming to numerator reciprocal. Whenever fraction is there in the denominator, it becomes reciprocal. Again one more time. Here division changing into multiplication. Again reciprocal. This one as it is. What is the meaning of 5 square? 5 into 5. Into 4 is there, that 4 you write. 4 square means 4 into 4 into 5. So 4 goes in 4 one time. 5 goes in 5 one time. Here remaining, what is remaining means 5 by 4. Can you see? 5 by 4 plus 1. This plus 1 don't forget. Take LCM. 4 will be the LCM. 5 plus 4 by 4 means 9 by 4. How much it is? 9 by 4. This is 9. 9 by 4. Improper fraction. Change into mixed. Divide here. 4 goes in 9. 2 times and 1 will be remainder. So 2 1 by 4. And these are all the part and parcel of the problem. You have to show this working. Sixth problem, first bit. 27 whole to the power of 4 by 3 plus 32 whole to the power of 0.8 plus 0.1 whole to the power of minus 1 plus 0.8 whole to the power of 0. Now we write 27 as 3 cube. So 3 cube whole to the power of 4 by 3. 3 get cancelled and 3 to the power of 4 will be remaining. Now here decimal is there, remove the decimal. We can write as 8 by 10 because after decimal one this means 10. 2 table is common. 2 goes 4 times, 2 goes 5 times. So 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 4 by 5 plus here again decimal is there. Remove the decimal first. 8 by 10 whole to the power of minus 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 0.8 whole to the power of 0. 8 to the power of 0, 1. Plus 1 you write. Now 3 to the power of 4 plus 5 goes in 5 one time. 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 table is common. 2 goes 5 times, 2 goes 4 times. 5 by 4 plus 1. This 1. What is the meaning of 3 to the power of 4 means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Plus 5 by 4 plus 1. Add 81 plus 16, 97 plus 1, 98. Plus 5 by 4. Divide 5 by 4. 4 goes in 5 one time. Decimal 10. Again 4 goes 2 times 8. Again the 2 remainder. Decimal is there, so 1 more 0. 4 5s are 20. So in the place of 5 by 4, you write 1.25. So 98 plus 1 is 99. 99.25. These are the formulas came across this problem. Seventh problem, first bit. Square root 32 minus square root 5 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into square root 32 plus square root 5 whole to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means another form of writing 1 by 3 is cube root. For square root 1 by 2, for cube root 1 by 3. So here 1 by 3 means cube root. Cube root root 32 minus root 5 into cube root 32 plus root 5. Now it is in the form of, here the order is same. Here cube root, then there cube root. And in between these two, multiplication is there. When multiplication is there, we can multiply easily. Are you able to follow? Multiplication and division possible when the powers are same. For addition, subtraction we can't, but here, now, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. In the place of a, root 32 is there. In the place of b, root 5 is there. So, cube root, don't forget this cube root. Cube root, root 32 whole square minus cube in minus square root 5 whole square. Square root another form is 1 by 2. 32 1 by 2 whole square, 2 to get cancelled. Here square root another form is 1 by 2, 2 to cancel. So cube root 32 minus 5. 32 minus 5 means 27. We can write 27 as 3 cube. Whole to the power, what is that cube root? 1 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled and 3 to the power of 1 means 3.